Right, while they've got the neck in clamps getting the fretboard glued on, waiting for that to cure, I need to sort out a few things on the body. First one being that the neck pocket isn't deep enough, so I need to remove some material from the bottom of the neck pocket to make it deep enough to match the neck I'm making from the templates I've got. So to do that, I need to increase the depth of the pocket by 10.5 millimeters. We are definitely code brown with this one, because if this goes wrong, then the guitar body is going to be ruined. So I've got a template set up matching the neck pocket that's already in the guitar, and I've got that lined up and secured with some masking tape and super glue so that I can use that radian bit to get the depth I need. So I've already set up the cut and I've got the depth stop set at where I need it to finish, and obviously I'm coming at this after the fact because it's a kit body that came off a CNC machine at Crimson. So there are going to be parts of the pocket that I can't get this cutter into because of the size of it. I might need to go back in afterwards with a slightly smaller bit, but I'm going to see how we get on with them doing the main cut first. So yeah, this is either going to work or I'm going to cry into my mug of tea. See, I've got a lot of material I'm removing with the router cutter here. Normally you'd drill some of it out with a Forstner bit first, but I'm going to go really slowly and carefully, a little bit at a time, and take it out piece by piece, mainly because I don't want any splintering or anything like that to occur. And as you can see, I'm a bit nervous about this. Well, I'm calling that a win, to be honest. Yeah, anything until I can tidy that up with chisels. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Awesome. That will work. Right, now I need to tidy up the edges. So we're onto the router table. I've got a template attached to the body, lined up using the centre line and the control cavity, just so I can get it as accurate as possible. There was a lot of excess material left when this blank came off the CNC, so I'm being really careful and not taking too much material away at a time, because I don't want any, chip out or anything like that to occur. So round and round and round we go, just tidying everything up and getting it as close as possible, and then when that's done, I'll get it on the sanding machine and get everything finalised. Right, so I've got most of the excess removed from the edge of the body, so next job is to get it on this machine and finish tidying the edges up. These
combination belt and bobbin sanders really are an awesome bit of kit. I really recommend sorting one out for yourself if you can. I think at the moment in the UK you can get one for around 220 to 250 pounds, I think. But you know, keep an eye out for sales or offers or similar, because you know, I've got this set up as a belt sander, but it soon swaps over to an individual bobbin, and with the stability of it you can achieve really good results really quickly. And because of the profiles at either end of the belt, you know, I can get into the majority of the curves that I need to. So yeah, it's a really invaluable machine. It makes this process a lot faster and cleaner. I've got several grade belts for it as well, so you know, you start with 80 and then I can get it up to 120, 150, whatever. So yeah, if you're into this kind of thing or just woodworking in general, these things are really good for the money. So I'm just finishing off tidying up around the edge of the body from where I couldn't get to with the router, mainly because the body is already carved in the top. Then I've got no way of really securely attaching a template so I can flip it over and go from the other side. So you know, I just went as far as I could, and then we're just using this superb machine to finalise the body shape.
So, body edged off, smoothed off, looking pretty good. I'll be getting to a lot of sanding in the near future, which is all good fun. Thanks for sticking with me. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, give me a comment, and ideas for colours for the maple, because I'm going to be staining this one. So I've got a lot of crimson stains to use, so we can see if we can do something fun and crazy. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.